Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can export your project into PDF. So let's get straight into it step by step. Now let's say that you are happy with your design and you want to export into PDF. So you go here to the file and then go to export, and here you will see export as PDF. Now your this new style will open up, so it means it's A4 format, so that you know. Now how do you do that? You just simply can add some pages or copy cut. You can modify now this PDF file. To save it, you just hit here the save button or save as, and name it as it needs to be. Or this is one way, or you can go to file again to export and export as PDF. I think this one is the simplest method, so you do basically 2 times the same thing. Now just name the file. You see that PDF is now uh, directly selected, and just hit save. And this is now you complete export into PDF from LibreCAD. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next